Have you ever felt like you wanted to give up because things are not going at your expected pace? Have you ever felt like leaving what you're doing because you see no growth? Have you ever felt like ending it all because of failures you have experienced on your path? Well, whenever you feel low, depressed, and overwhelmed with negative emotions because of the ups and downs that inevitably come in life, whenever you feel like you want to quit, whenever you are just not able to see a reason to continue living, do remind yourself of a simple yet profound analogy. It's been one of my favorites from the very first time I heard it. A man planted fern and bamboo seeds and cared for them really well. He made sure that they both got adequate light and water. The man was delighted to see the fern quickly spring out from the earth and grow really fast, covering its entire surrounding with its bright green color. But he was disappointed when he saw nothing come out from the bamboo seed. But the man did not give up on the bamboo. In the second year, he saw that the growth of the fern was luxuriant, vibrant, and abundant. And the bamboo seed? Nothing came out still. But the man continued caring for the bamboo and did not quit. In the third year, there was still nothing from the bamboo seed, and the man still would not give up. In the fourth year, once again, he saw nothing come from the bamboo seed, but the man persevered and still would not quit. It was in the fifth year that the man saw a tiny sprout emerge from the earth. The bamboo sprout was tiny and insignificant compared to the fern. But in just 6 months from then, the bamboo shot up to over 100 feet tall. The man realized that the bamboo had spent those 5 years growing its roots. It was those roots that made it strong and gave it all what it needed to survive, thrive, and grow. Isn't it true that life does not give anyone a challenge that they cannot handle? If there's a challenge that you are facing at the moment, know for sure that you have the capacity to handle it. Were you aware that all the time you have spent dealing with your challenges and struggles, you've actually been growing roots? Just as the man did not give up on the bamboo, don't give up on yourself. Never quit. Don't compare yourself to others. The bamboo and the fern are so different, yet both make the forest beautiful, each one serving a different purpose. Relax. Your time will come. You will shoot up and rise high as well. Go as high as you can, as high as your potential, not someone else's potential. Be patient and keep working on yourself, and one day you will shoot up like the bamboo tree too. Remember that London is 5 hours ahead of New York, but that doesn't make New York slow or London fast. Everything in life happens at the right time. Be patient, and the right time will come for you as well. Don't hurry and don't worry. You're neither early nor are you too late. You're just on